Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I've got Baby with me this morning. She's been a great helper today, just keeping me company. I'd like to, before I do a diamond painting unboxing, I'd like to do a special shout out hello to Mikey Shorey up in Maine. Mikey is the daughter of Stacy Shorey, who is my admin and dear friend. And I was lucky enough to see Mikey when he got his first diamond painting. And I sent him a pen. Elizabeth sent him a pen. He did a lovely little video thank you. He's a really great kid. And now that he's mentioned on here, he's a YouTube star. You go, Mikey. And back to the unboxing. Let's see what we got. It's kind of a funny shaped package. Oh, I also wanted to mention that Mikey did his own diamond painting after he watched his mom. And he did that colorful giraffe diamond painting. And he recently finished it. And I was very impressed with his, is it fortitude is the right word? With his interest in it and being able to follow through and finish a whole full drill diamond painting on his own. That's something special. Good job, Mikey. Okay, it looks like I got 2 diamond paintings here. And they're all bubble wrapped and then shrink wrapped. Nice and neat. I got 2 coat kits. They're both green boats with the cutout. I combine my words. I say the wrong words. Sometimes you see I throw those little signs up to correct myself because I just say the wrong thing. I'll say this is a blue boat instead of green boat. Silly. Single pink pen. It's like an extra long pink pen with tweezers. Wax bags. And that's it. Very nicely. This is all very nicely packaged up. Let's see what we got here. They are 2 different watercolors from the same company. I'm going to do the first one first. The first one first. Good job, Nancy. I'm going to do this one first. This is like a watercolor window with these beautiful pink flowers. The colors are just gorgeous. My favorites. Shades of pink. Pinks and purples are me. My favorite. This is a 30 by 40 full drill. Let's take a look at the canvas and then I'll show you the other one. I will put the picture up so you can see the image of what it looked like when I bought it. Sometimes you look at those images and then you look at the diamond painting and they're nothing alike, but I'm happy if it's close because I buy a lot for the colors and things that are unique and different. Baby's tired. She just went at me, what she does when she's done. In other words, stop talking. No, I won't. But this window is just so pretty. Part of my watercolor phase. Okay, it's all neatly wrapped around a foam core. Let me set the other one aside. We'll do that one next. We'll do them both together. More garbage to pick up. Okay. What is it? A round square, 30 by 40, full drill square. I'm liking squares more the more I do them. The more I do, the easier it is, and the more I like it. There is nothing like the sound of that click when your drills just click into space and everything straightens up. It's very satisfying. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. So many colors and all confetti. I think the windows are the biggest blocks of one color. When I see ones like this that are so pretty, they're just lovely. And that's gonna look beautiful framed on the wall. I'm so far ahead, I haven't even started this one, but in my mind it's done and framed. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It arrived in good condition, well packaged, no damage. A++ for these guys. Again, 30 by 40 full drill square. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. How many colors? It doesn't say. Let's see. 7, 10, 15, 20, 24, 25, 30, 35 colors. That's great. Very pretty too. Okay, let's take a look at the other one. The other one is another watercolor peacock feather. I'm very fond of the colors in the peacocks. I know that's why they use them so much. I'll put the image up for you. It's also a 40 by 30 full drill square. More beautiful colors. Look at those. I will do the inventory, and then what I do is I add it along with the link in the description so that if you want to buy it, you know where to buy it. Sometimes it's funny, I go back to check the links. I check the links before I post them, and they're gone. The whole thing is gone. It's been pulled for some reason. I never know why. Oh, look how pretty. Look how beautiful that is. The only big block of color I see is up in this corner. These symbols are printed very well. I think the companies are getting good about making sure their printers don't run out of ink and changing them before they start to get faded or smudged, because I haven't had any problems with mine. Here we go. How many colors are there? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, about 35 colors. I'm saying about because some people take pleasure in counting them and telling me I'm wrong, which really nobody's done that. I'm just kidding. I just think if you want to find out if you're wrong, say a fact. If you're wrong, someone will let you know. And that's my cynical view of things. Oh, baby, she's so pretty and so cute, and every time she gets groomed, she looks like a little lady again. So that's the end. I'm very happy with these two. Good quality, good packaging, beautiful, beautiful images. Thanks so much for joining me, and take care, and you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.